Hey YouTube, what's going on? Welcome back here. This is another new review of new sneakers, and this one is the Union Jordan Dealt Mate, ready to ship. If you want to copy this one, please check on my web link beyondshop.io. You can check more details there, and you can contact us with our contact way if you have any question. Okay, so let me show the details of this one. You can look this got the Union and the Jordan print on the tag and the side. So the holder mostly with the black color, and you can have the red thread material and the red stitching. And the black part, this is the nylon material, and this part is the black thread, and also this part is the thread, but different kind of thread material. This one is more smooth, and this is another kind of material with the thread. And here print the 30 and 23 there. And about miso, this part got a transparent black rubber, and about miso is the this is the yellow color. And on the back side here got the hose and the tag UNLA, and also this part. And on the top, this is the blue color, and then the hose underneath got 3M material. And about this one, the left lock is the nylon left lock. And turn to the front, you can take the shape of the front here, nylon material and the black thread. For this style is very special, also very good. And about the shoelace is the black shoelace. Shoe tom, so this is the shoe tom like this. On the top is the unfinished cut off, and the got the pull tab, and also underneath this black part got the logo 23, and this yellow got Union. And you can check out the back side here. So got the test, and also the back side of the shoe tom like this. Check the inner side, so got the same. So you can check by yourself. And the back side, so got the pull tab, and the bottom got red Jumpman. And about the inside, you can got the shoe trace plastic one, and the shoe part got red Jumpman and the Union layer. Also have the size. This is the details of the inside. And let me show you another one. Have a quick look. The side here got another extra shoelace. This is the yellow color. Okay, so this is the Union Jordan Dealt Mate. If you want to pick up this one, please don't forget to check out on my web link. More details, check there. And more questions, don't forget to contact us. Thanks for seeing you next time.